And I am S.K. Misra, teacher of maths in DAV grade 8. Today I am going to start the chapter Area of Parallelograms and Triangles. Student, if two figures just like A and B are congruent, then area of A is equal to area of B. It means area of two congruent triangles या congruent objects are equal. We have some property. First property is that diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then diagonal BD divide it into two triangles of equal area. It means area triangle ABD is equal to area triangle BCD. Second theorem is the parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. It means if two parallelograms are on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Here its proof is two parallelograms here ABCD and ABEF are two parallelograms are on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and CF. Then we have to show area of ABCD parallelogram is equal to area of ABEF. So here the proof. Now in triangle ADF and triangle BCE, because AD and BC are the opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD, so they are equal. AF and B also be the opposite sides of parallelogram ABEF, so they are also be equal. And angle DAF and angle CB also be equal because these are the angles between two pair of parallel lines. So here in triangle ADF and triangle BCE, DAF angle DAF is equal to angle BCE, CBE, angles between two pair of parallel lines. So they are equal. ठीक है ना. And AD is equal to BC and AF is equal to B. So by SAS criteria both triangles are congruent. So and we know that two congruent triangles have equal area. So area of triangle ADF is equal to area of triangle BC. Now area for this, if we add area of ABED in both triangles, then we will find area triangle ADF plus area quadrilateral ABED and area of triangle BC plus area quadrilateral ABED. So there this is area ABEF is equal to area ABCD. So here ABCD, because area of this portion and this portion means area of this parallelogram, area of this portion plus this area of this parallelogram. So area of ABCD is equal to area of ABF. Now second theorem is triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. If two triangles just like BCD and BCA are on same base BC and between the same parallels, they are equal in area. It means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. Next theorem, area of two congruent triangles are equal. We know that. Theorem, if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of triangle is equal to half the area of parallelogram. Here we have here triangle ABC and parallelogram BCDE are on the same base BC and between the same parallels BC and AD. So here we have to prove, yes, we know that area of triangle ABC is half the area of parallelogram. So this means area of triangle ABC is half the area of parallelogram. Proof is not required here. If we have a question, if EFGH are respectively the midpoints of sides of a parallelogram ABCD, so that area EFGH is half the area of ABCD. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. EFGH are the midpoint of sides AB, BC, CD and AD respectively. Then we have to show area of this parallelogram EFGH is half the area of parallelogram ABCD. So here to join here join HF. So H and F are the midpoint of side AD and BC, and AB parallel CD. So it means HF also be parallel to AB and CD, because HF is the line segment joining midpoint of the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now in parallelogram ABHF, then because this one is parallel to this and this is parallel, already given parallel, so this one is parallelogram. So area triangle EFH is half the area of parallelogram. This because we know that if triangles and parallelograms are on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. Here ABHFH is a parallelogram and EFH is a triangle on the same base HF. So area of this triangle is half the area of parallelogram. So area EFH is half the area of parallelogram ABFD. FH, sorry. Similarly, area triangle GHF, HFG is equal to half the area of parallelogram HFCD. ठीक है ना? Half the area of HFCD. Now, sum of these two areas, therefore area of triangle EFH plus area of triangle HFG is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD, because half the area of this plus half the area of this, their sum is ABCD. So we can prove it. Now next question is, P and Q are any two points lying on sides DC and AD respectively of parallel. ABCD is a parallelogram and P and Q are the points lying sides CD and AD. Then we have to show area of triangle APB is area of triangle CQB. So we know that here area of triangle APB is half the area of this parallelogram, because triangle is on the same base and between the same parallel. So area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. So area APB is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABCD. Similarly, area of triangle BQC also be on the same base and between the same parallels. So area of this triangle also be the half the area of this parallelogram. So area of BQC also be the half the area of parallelogram ABCD. From first and second, we can say that area of triangle APB and area of triangle BQC both are equal, because they are each equal to half the area of parallelogram. Next question is PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms and X is any point on side BR, so that area PQRS is equal to area ABRS, and area AXS, area of this triangle, is half the area of parallelogram PQRS. So here PQRS and ABRS are both are parallelogram, are on the same base and between the same parallels, so they are equal. So area parallelogram PQRS is equal to area of ABRS. Both parallelograms are on the same base and between the same parallels. Now area triangle AXS, AXS is on the same base AS and between the same parallels AS and BR. So area of this triangle is half the area of parallelogram ABRS. Half the area of parallelogram ABRS. Area to AX is half the area of ABRS. So and ABRS and PQRS both parallelograms are equal in area. So AX is half the area of PQRS, also proved. Now, so that a median of a triangle, divide it into two triangles of equal area. In triangle ABC, AD is a median. Here we have to prove AD divides triangle ABC into two triangles of equal area. It means area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ACD. For this we draw a perpendicular AE, draw AE perpendicular to BC. तो draw AD perpendicular BC. Now area triangle ABD, area triangle ABD. The area triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half area of ABD is half into BD into AE. Area of triangle ACD is equal to half the base CD into AE height, but BD is equal to CD because D is the midpoint of BC. So therefore area triangle ABD is equal to area triangle ACD. Next question is, in a triangle ABC, most easy chapter, in triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of the median, midpoint of the median AD. AD is median of triangle ABC and E is the midpoint of the median AD. So that area B triangle BED is equal to 1/4 the area, 1/4 the area of ABC. So here AD is a median and we know that median of a triangle divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. It means AD is a median. Therefore area triangle ABD is half the area of ABC. The area of triangle ABD is half the area of ABC. Now E is the midpoint of AD. So B is the median for triangle ABD. B is the median for triangle ABD. So B is median for triangle ABD. So area triangle BED is half the area of triangle ABD. BED is half the triangle area of triangle ABD. Now and ABD is half the triangle area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle BED is equal to half into half the area of ABC. It means 1/4 the area of ABC. Now DEF are the midpoint of sides BC, AC and AB of a triangle. Then prove that BDEF is a parallelogram and DEF is 1/4 the area of ABC. And BDEF area of parallelogram BDEF half the area of triangle ABC. So solution, DEF are the midpoint of sides BD, AC and AB respectively. And so we know that to DE parallel to AB because by midpoint theorem. So DE parallel FB and EF parallel BD by midpoint theorem, because we know that line segment joining midpoint of any two sides of a triangle parallel to third side and a half of it. So DE parallel AB and EF parallel BC or BD. Therefore BDEF is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. BDEF is a parallelogram. First proof is completed. Second, we know that diagonal of a parallelogram divides a parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. So area of BDF is equal to area of DEF. Both triangles are congruent. So therefore BDEF area is equal to DEF because congruent triangles are of equal area. Similarly, area triangle DEF also be the area of triangle CDE, area triangle DEF also be the area of triangle AEF. Therefore, each triangles, this triangle is divided into 4 triangles of equal area. So area of triangle DEF is 1/4 the area of ABC. Now BDEF means area of 2 triangles. So BDEF is equal to half the area of triangle ABC, because ABC triangle is divided into 4 triangles of equal area. So sum of area of 2 triangles is equal to half the area of triangle ABC. Next question is XY is a line. XY is a line parallel to side BC of triangle ABC. If B and here XY is a line parallel to side BC of triangle ABC. If BX parallel to AC and CY parallel to AB meet XY at P and Q respectively, to show that AB area of triangle ABX is equal to area of triangle ACY. So given here ABC is a triangle and XY parallel to BC, which intersect AB and AC at P and Q respectively. Draw BX parallel to AC, already given, and CY parallel to AB. Now triangle ABX and parallelogram XBCQ are on the same base BX and between the same parallels BX and AC. So ABX and parallelogram XBCQ are on the same base BX and between the same parallels XB and AC. So area triangle ABX is half the area of parallelogram XBCQ. Next, similarly, area triangle ACY, triangle ACY and parallelogram here BCYP are on the same base CY and between the same parallels AB and CY. So area triangle ACY also be the half the parallelogram BCYP. The area of ACY is a half the area of parallelogram BCYP. First, now area of parallelogram XBCQ and BCYP are on the same base and between the same parallels. So both parallelograms are of equal area. So area of parallelogram XBCQ and equal to area of parallelogram BCYP. Third point, so from first, second, third, we can say that area of triangle ABX is equal to area of triangle ACY. Now the side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram. The side AB of parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P. A line through A parallel to CP meets CB produced at Q, and then parallelogram PBQR is completed, so that area parallelogram ABCD is equal to area parallelogram PBQR. So here join AC and PQ. Here AQ parallel CP. So therefore area triangle ACQ is equal to half the is equal to area APQ. Area of ACQ, area of PQ, because both are on the same base AQ and between the same parallels AQ and CP. So area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle. and therefore area of this triangle minus area of this triangle ABQ is equal to area of this triangle minus area of ABQ. So therefore area triangle ACB is equal to area triangle PBQ या BPQ, ठीक है ना. And we know that therefore twice of area of half of, so it means because here area of ACQ and area of APQ both are equal because are on the same base and same parallel lines. So area of ACQ minus area of ABQ is equal to area of APQ minus area of ABQ. So therefore area of triangle ACB is equal to area of triangle PBQ. And we know that diagonals of a parallelogram divides a parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. It means area of this triangle is half the area of parallelogram ABCD, and area of triangle PBQ similarly half the area of parallelogram PBQR. So therefore half the area of ABCD is equal to half of area of PBQR. Therefore area of triangle ABCD parallelogram, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram PBQR. Thank you, children.